Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see right now, I am looking very wild, but today I'm going to show you how I put my TWA under my wig and how I style and slay my wig. So at first I was going to cornrow, but I tried to comb my hair with my long nails, so that's a no-go. So right now I'm going to show you how another method that you can do to put your wigs on without cornrows. So I'm probably going to not time lapse this, but do a voiceover for the rest of the video.
Okay, so now I'm just going in with my Eco Styling Gel to slick my hair back. And I'm using the hard brush just to brush it all back so it can fit into like a baby ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just taking a rubber band to tie my hair in the back so it won't lift up or anything. Okay, so now I'm just taking my blow dryer to blow dry my hair to make sure it's not going to be wet when I put on my wig, because it's not a good idea to put your wig on with wet hair.
Okay, so I just blew dry my hair. I kind of lay my edges down because I would press boots. Like, I can put my hair in a kind of baby ponytail. Let me stop playing. But yeah, I'm press boots that my hair is growing. It's real healthy and just I can't wait till this time next year to see like the full growth. Not the full growth, but like a normal hair. Because right now it's in the awkward stage. It's going to be in the awkward stage for the next 10 months. Alright, so now that my hair is dry, I am going to get my wig cap. I no longer have any more light wig cap, so I have this dark one. Which is fine by me, you know, doesn't matter. But before putting this on, make sure your hair is dry, like dry. Because you don't want any like bacteria or anything growing in your hair. So actually, let me double check. Okay, now I'm putting on my wig cap. Ooh, nigga. Alright, I'm not gonna do the bald cap method just because I'm not having this wig on for that long. And it's not a front too, so. What we gonna do is pull this cap back because, like, why would you have it down here? No ma'am. This is the wig I will be putting on today. I just literally colored and dyed it. I said colored and dyed it. I literally just colored this. But this wig is really bomb. The hair is by Erica B. I love hair from Erica B. Like, Erica B hair is what? It's fire. It's fire. So, what I'm using today to keep my wig down, I'm going to be using Ghost Bond adhesive. I'll probably look stupid in the back, but well. I'm going to take a wooden stick to put this on because I don't want to put this on my fingers or anything else. I'm going to use this part. I'm just going to squeeze it. It's clogged, so you got to poke it. I'm gonna start off with that much. And just keep working my way. And the closure, I'm not sure what size closure is. I forgot. I'm just putting it on like so. Oh, and a big important step is wiping your hair off with all oils. I forgot to do that, but wipe your hairline down with alcohol to make sure there's no dirt or debris. But I literally just washed my face, but I might have some moisturizer on there, but I'm not having to do
Right here, I'm just taking my blow dryer to make sure the glue is completely dried. Right here, I'm doing my edges for no reason because I take it out, I end up brushing it out and doing something else. But now after you got your edges laid how you want them to, normally what I do is take some mousse, like the mousse that I have in my hand right now, and brush it in to make everything just lay flat and look real sleek. Right here is where I'm combing out my edges and doing something else with it because I really didn't like how what I did at first looked. Now I'm just laying my edges down with this hair wrap that you can get from the beauty supply store for like $2 or $3.
Alright, I'm back. I have my wig on. I have my edges in the process of being laid right now. Now I'm just trying to figure out if I should wear my hair straight or curly. Alright, so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Well, I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to do with my hair. I'm using my friction-free flat iron, which I got out of my cosmetology kit, you know. And then I got my Hot Tools professional curling wand. Wasn't a wand, it's really a curler. Turn and click. Call me a professional hairstylist. But yeah, I'm gonna be using my Hot Tools and my flat iron. But if you keep watching, you can just find out what I do.
Right now, I'm just wasting my time once again because I end up not liking the curl and just wearing my hair straight.
Alright, so I'm gonna do my makeup off cameras, just some slight, and I'll be back for the final result. Alright, so I'm back with the finished look. All I did was put some eyeliner and lashes on and did my brows, you know, something basic and a little bit of lip gloss. But let's get into this hair. This hair is by Erica B. Erica B hair. And I also used to lay down all the frizzies. Hold on, let me get this right. Let me get this right. I used my Erica B collection wax stick. This is like really fire. Like I use like some other wax sticks, but this is the best one. I love the way it smells and all that. So get you one. I'll have the link in the description below. And yeah, and the hair is by Erica B too. It's colored by me, but the hair is by Erica B, and that's on period. And yeah, so this is how I put my wig on without any cornrows or anything. Hold on, because it's one hair. Alright, there you go. This is how I put my wig on without any cornrows or anything. And yeah, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye.